there's a word you throw around a lot, and you've thrown it around in past podcasts and in conversation with me in private and through Slack and those sorts of things. But maybe just give us a very short working definition of how you even define the term financial fluency.
Yes, totally.
Because that's what you're getting at there. That's kind of when you went through that nightmare scenario at BMF 7 years ago, this came onto your radar as I asked. So how would you define that term financial fluency?
Really simply, you understand historically what you've done. And when I say financial fluency, I mean with cash and how the service you offered is linked to that. You understand historically what you've done and the trends and you can see trends historically up to today. You understand exactly right now today, you have a snapshot of where you are. In other words, exactly the amount of money you're bringing in today or this month, exactly what it costs to bring in that money today. And the third piece of financial fluency is that you have some version of a system in place to be able to look ahead in two ways. Number one, a cash flow report. So we look ahead 6 months. Ideally, I'd love to look ahead a year, but right now we look ahead 6 months and say, I know I have enough cash to operate this company for 6 more months on the growth path that we are. And then the second part of financial fluency in the future is what we're talking about today. Forecasting, I'd say a solid 1 to 3 years out. And eventually your financial fluency will get to the point where you can forecast 10 years out.